guys, what's up? So welcome to the channel. It's first time here. This is the first video I'm making for the channel, so both of us are new. If there's one of you watching. Okay, so as you can hear from the audio, currently I'm using my iPhone audio, and it's not the best audio. That's why I went and tried to get this little guy. So this is the Boya mic. It's the Boya BY-MM1. It's a very affordable mic. So you can use it for your PC, camera, tablet, or even your smartphone. I'll show you now. So we're trying to see what's inside. I already tried putting it like a few moments ago. I'm trying to see inside. Trying to see if it's like sealed or what. Okay, so the basics of what's inside. Okay, some menu, some customer. Okay, so this was customer warranty. I don't know what this is for. And the manual nobody reads. I'll read it later. Guys, we're black, we're not gonna read this thing. Checking, I'm gonna read it later on. I'm gonna read it later on and see how it goes. So they've got it's a pretty standard like manual with instructions. Okay, now I'll definitely check it out later on what it's and how to actually properly use this mic, because I don't want to break my mic. Expensive. Okay, so what's inside is this thing. I don't know what this thing is for. They have it also on shoes. I don't know what it's for. Maybe they call it silica gel throwaway. Do not eat. I guess some people might consider eating. I don't know who would open this thing and try to eat it, but I don't know. Okay, so what's inside is this furry thing. So this is just to minimize like noise from wind or whatever it is. It's just to minimize the wind, so we get like a nice clean audio. See now cars are passing by. Okay, and then another thing, this is the cable. So this one is the one that you use for your camera or PC or whatever it is. That's the main cable. And we've got this one for smartphone. So they've got it here. It's got a nice label. It's got a nice labeling. See, so it's got the nice labeling. It tells you that this side is for microphone. Do not use it. And this one is for smartphone. So you know which end, which one is going where. And then we've got the stand, the mount. Okay. So this is like the nice, so it goes on top of the camera, so you just slide it through on top of the camera, and then you seal it to make it tight. Okay, so that's that. And then you've got the main guy. So this is the mic check 1 2 1 2. So this is the Boya BY-MM1 mic. This is also inside. It's heavier than I thought, but looks decent. And then let me put it safe. And then we have the pouch or the bag. Secure the bag. This is the bag to secure the stuff. Okay, it's a leatherish Boya. They got the whole Boya brand, so you know where it's from. Okay, I'm just gonna try to connect these guys for you. Okay, so this one definitely goes here. Okay. So you can use the mic without this thing, but because it's picking up noise using this, and so it might pick up even wind, so then you don't want that wind, so you put this guy inside this furry dead cat. And then this is the stand, so you just mount this guy here, boom, and this will go to on top of your camera. So if this was your camera, if this was your camera, and then you just put this guy on top like this, and then you start talking like, hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, and then yeah, and then this is the main cable. Okay, so this guy goes boom, you hit a click, and this will go to your DSLR or DSLR or whatever it is. But if you're using this with the smartphone, then you will connect this guy. So it tells you that this one is with a microphone. Okay, let me just try to untie this guy. Sorry for the audio, guys, I'm still trying to figure this thing out. So this one, it has a label. You can see that it says microphone, and so there's an icon for the microphone, and at the back it says microphone. Okay, and then you would connect it here, and then you would use this guy to connect to your phone to get better audio. I'll just use it here, but I'm using it for flashlight, Android or flashlight. Sorry for any Android users, I'm also an Android user. And then yeah, and this is what you use to be on the camera mount, and you just use this one to tighten it. Because I'll be using this camera when my camera gets here, I'll be using that camera along with this mic. I went and got me this little guy. So this is a triple shoe mount. I just forgot the, so it's from Extreme Accessories. Okay, so the nice thing about this little guy is that I can mount this thing here. Let me just try to make it nicer. Okay, and then I can seal it and make it tight, and then so this will go to your on top of your camera, and then you can also make it tight. And then if you got another accessory like I do, I'll show you guys now. And then you've got the 112 LED light. So that's another unboxing we're unboxing tonight. It's nighttime, I'm shooting at night. There's a sauna playing, but I was gonna wait until I get the camera to actually start doing the proper unboxing, so you guys get the better audio quality, but I couldn't wait. These things are here. Okay, so what's inside this? So this is the 112 LED light I've got from a company I won't mention because they're not paying for this video. So what's inside is this thing. Also, they also have this bag. This one doesn't have a label on it. Interesting. Okay, I'm just gonna put this guy here. So this one is the, okay, they also have manuals. I'll read them later, I promise to myself. Read them later. Yeah, and then, well, interesting. So this is pretty decent. Inside there was just only this guy that was inside, and this guy, boom. I'll get into more details with this thing now. It's called 112 LED light. So this is Ulanzi. Hope promising right. Made from China. Okay, so for this guy, it's got two filters. So if you want this thing, so it's got this for like your bright colors, and it's got a magnet. It's got magnet, so these little 4 things here, they go here, and it's like magnet. Wow. Okay, did know that. And so this is like your normal lighting if you just want to have a lighter on. And then if you want a more color into your light, see if I'm testing now. But let's put this on my lighter. See, so this is okay. Let me just show you. No, we're testing these new guys. Okay, so the normal filter looks like this. So if I had this thing on, if I had this thing on, I need batteries. Okay, I need 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 batteries for this thing. No problem. Later on. So this is how it's supposed to look if you're using just this filter. And then if you want more goldish light and thing, and this is how it looks. Okay, gold, whitish, clear, and then gold. I kind of like the gold one. I kind of like this one. Okay, but anyway, so this guy, you can keep the one, if you're not using it, you can just put it at the back, so you don't need to put it anywhere else. And then you put this guy here, and then if you want to change, you just take this guy and then you put it here, and then you just put it here. So then it's got the on and off switch, but you need to get batteries. Okay, so they need like four batteries for this thing to operate. Back to buying batteries. And then okay, so this is the one part I want to show you guys. So this is the mount. So this is where my triple hole shoe mount comes in handy. Okay, so I can just easily slide this thing here and then just seal it off to make it like this. But ideally the way I would set it up, it depends on how you guys prefer it, but I would prefer the light to be on top. Okay, so I'm just trying to get the light. I would prefer my light to be just slide. I would prefer my lighting to be on top, and then I would put my mic here, and then you just put this on top of your camera, so you've got nice lighting for your video, and you get nice audio. And then you just plug this in your camera. It's quite heavyish. This is light, so that means you would need a very stable, strong tripod. Do yourself a favor. Online shopping is good, it's convenient because you don't have to go there, they bring the stuff to you. But the pictures, the reality. And because this is my first video, so I'm still learning how this thing goes, how I'm gonna edit the video. Oh yeah, for my editing video I'm using the Resolve. So it's
South Africa investment.
So I'll show you guys later on. So I'm using the DaVinci Resolve 16, the free version. It's quite a good software. We'll speak about like as time goes by. I'll let you guys know how I'm using this thing, because I'm still learning. And this is gonna go into my camera. It's gonna be nice, man. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be like this, and then it just goes like this. And you have the camera, and then yeah, you should be fine. should be fine. So I'm very excited for the channel. I was planning on unboxing these things later on, but I couldn't wait. Anyway, I'll give a more detailed review on how these things work and how am I finding them. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed the channel, the video. So I'll see how this thing goes, and then hopefully get the camera rather than sooner than later. And then the channel name is just Tech Talk with Lweystah. And that's it from me. I'll try to upload more content, but I'm just waiting for my cameraman. So I'm very excited. The thing about, I have a good camera with this iPhone, but this space is like, I must pay for space. Apple is creating a problem and selling the solution. Here's an iPhone, limited space. You want more space, pay for a bigger space. And that's how they're doing us. And we keep on buying. Consumers, we live and we learn. See you guys later.